Hey everybody, Rob with Scoutdrop here, back with another video. Today we're going to be in the mobile app, and today we're going to be taking a deeper dive on Scout mode. So you can see here that we are on the home screen, but if you look down at the bottom of the app and see that little radar button, that is Scout mode. So before we get into this, why Scout mode? Why come up with this feature? Well, when I think of what Scoutdrop was meant to do, it's meant to enable sales professionals in a couple different ways, right? So sometimes as sales professionals, we're planning our day ahead, right? We're going to go out into our field. Maybe we have some appointments and we want to do some foot canvassing, some drops, some check-ins, whatever you call them. We want to pre-plan our day and strategically hit our target accounts or businesses while we're out in the field, right? That's one use case. The other reason is sometimes we're already in our field. Maybe we're leaving an appointment and sometimes it's the idea of hitting one on the way out or one on the way in, or maybe we're heading into our territory and our day falls apart. An appointment cancels, something changes, and then we're left with an hour or two. Well, what do we do? So scout mode is meant to be your sales radar, whether you're in the field or you are planning your day. So let's get into it, okay? So you can see here on the map, we're in Jackson, Tennessee today, and you can already see that there are some accounts in this radar radius. So if we hit the filter button at the top, I'll show you a little bit more about that. Now, by default, scout mode is set to a 10-mile radius. Makes sense when you think about it. When you're out in the field, you're probably going to look within a 10 to 20-mile radius. Now, we can bump that radius all the way up to 50 miles, or we can take it completely off, okay? Whatever your preference is. Off is going to show you all of your accounts anywhere that you have them loaded. Now, there's a couple other ways when we're in our field, or maybe we're doing some pre-planning, that we can massage this data, okay? We're going to get into this in another demo, but we can filter by specific maps. So maybe I just want to see my West Tennessee accounts, okay? Maybe I want to see all of my Q4. We're in Q4 as of today, I think, Q4 warm leads, or we can do both. So we're going to choose both. But then even further than that, we can keep massaging that data and filter by status as well. So maybe I only want to see the ones that I haven't visited yet, so the ones that have no status, and then also my interested and hot leads. I can choose any of these statuses and filter that as well. Now, even beyond that, we can come down here to the filter search query and even more deeply massage that data. So maybe I only want to see manufacturers. Maybe I only want to see CFOs. Whatever that term is, it's going to be based on the data that's populated in the demographics of the accounts. But I think we've got it good for right now. Let's go. Yeah, let's stick with this and let's filter our map. And here we go. Now you can see as we scroll in here to West Tennessee that I've got a handful of different kinds of accounts. So the purple one, that means I've spoke to a gatekeeper before. The thumbs up means they're interested. And then the Scoutdrop, little white and purple, means I haven't visited them before. So I can pull one up and I could add them to a route. If I wanted to on the fly, I could navigate directly to them, or I could look at some more information. All right, I'm going to remove them from the route for right now. Now, if I didn't want to go in and look at them individually, I can swap from map mode to list mode, and it's going to show me all of those accounts from closest to furthest away. Okay, so from here, you can see we've got a couple different options. Let's check out Mid-South Pest Control. Okay, I'm going to go in here. We can see we're supposed to be speaking to Miley York. She's the VP of HR. There's some other basic demographic information. And then, oh, by the way, it's also got the custom fields that I added. Now, based on your own industry and your preferences, you're going to have your own custom fields. For us, it's going to be current vendor, what the employee count is. But for you, it might be the car, the annual revenue, or it might be something different. And then down here, let's say if we already visited them, of course, you've seen on a previous video, we can check in, but we can also see previous activity. So, hey, actually, we need to find new information. So Miley moved to Nashville. They're in the process of hiring a new VP of HR, referred to Mark Hopper. Mark is the controller. So now I know, before I go there, I'm not asking for Miley again. I'm going to ask for Mark. Now, from there, I can simply add, if I wanted to, let's put a radius back on this thing for a second. Let's bump this to 20. All right, let's filter these accounts. Let's say I'm about to head out for my day and I want to see all the accounts within a 20-mile radius, right? So from here, we'll just create a route. And now in less than 5 minutes, I've done all of the research I need, whether I'm in the field or I'm starting my day at home, to identify some target accounts while I'm in the field and create an optimized route. So that is Scout Mode. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. We launch on October 16th. I couldn't be more excited. We've got more videos coming throughout the couple weeks. Please let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to me, DM me. Thank you guys. Have a great day.